As an introvert, I've always felt a bit nervous filming in public. Even with silent vlogs, holding a big camera can still feel awkward. The Go 3S gauge that for me is tiny, light, and the magnetic mount means I can stick it almost anywhere, on the pole, a bench, a wall. Most people don't even notice it's there, and I don't feel like I'm being watched. Now I can focus on the scene, the sounds, and the feeling of the moment. It makes silent vlogging so much easier, and honestly, so much more fun. And if you're thinking about getting one, the first 10 people to order through my link will receive a free carry case. Just a little extra to keep your Go 3S safe while you capture your own quiet moments.